Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to change text color Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Go to the Campaigns tab and either create a new campaign or select an existing one to edit. Then, click on Create Campaign. Enter the campaign name and other details and click on Continue. Next, select your audience and click the Next button. Enter the subject line and then click on Template. Choose any template you like and click on Use Template. Select the text you want to modify. Then, choose a color from the palette or enter a hex code if you have a specific color in mind. After changing the color, click Next and click on Next, then click on Schedule. Enter the desired time and date and clear other options. Finally, click on Schedule Campaign. I hope this process makes it easy for you to change the color in Klaviyo. Before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $80K in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.